Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Cil. Halo, Cil. How are you today? Oh, yes. Before we start learning activities in the morning, we first phrase. Okay, this is a meeting. We will learn the phrase. It is to learn about the activities to know tips or animals. Later, the teacher will show a video. Later, the child will guess what animals this is. Child can understand? Oh yes, okay. This is animal child. Lion. This is lion. What did you sound, lion? Roar. Roar. This is sound lion. Roar. Next. What is the animal, child? This is wolf. This is wolf. This one wolf. Woo. Next. This is animal, child. This is giraffe. This is giraffe. This is giraffe. Next. This is the animal, child. This is deer. This is deer. The sun deer. Next. This is the animal, child. This is rhinoceros. This is rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
This one rhinoceros. This is the animal, child. This is elephant. This is elephant. The sun elephant. Next. This is the animals, child. This is bear. This is bear. This one bear. Wow. Next. This is animal, child. This is tiger. This is tiger. The sun tiger. Roar. Roar. Next. This is the animals.
Panda.
This is panda. This is panda.
Panda.
The sun panda. Next. This is the animal chill.
Hippopotamus.
This is hippopotamus. This is hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
Okay, Chill, how do you understand the types or animals and their song? Okay, teacher, that's no teacher and a greeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye, Chill.